Greetings, engineers. It's Brelin here from Grey Bee Gaming, and welcome to episode 5 of Age of Engineering. So, look at what I've done in between episodes here, guys. I have created an electric furnace, which is now full of iron. I have also created two little bat boxes. There's one here, and there's one on this guy here that's allowing me to just put power in there. And let me just get a block of charcoal here, and just put in there and just conserve power, being able to not lose out on extra power, because if you put something in here and you're full of power, you're going to lose it. So to keep losses minimized, I'm just been doing this. And I've been having a little bit of a creosote problem here. I have been getting a lot of creosote oil, and these things are just full right now. And this one's good, this one's good. Okay, it's still good. We're still good. So I'll need to use up all that creosote oil, because I have not been using a lot. So I'll see if there's some stuff that I can start right now creating in advance, just to prepare like the next stage or something like that, and just to use up all that creosote oil. I've also been making some steel. Been spending a lot of time doing this, and putting it back in here, and doing this again and back and forth, just to get a couple of pieces of steel. I have 13 here and 13 slags. 4 slag here and 4 steel. Pretty good. But to make, let's go for brick here. No, let's go for blast brick. So to make a blast brick, this makes 2. So I basically need 4. This is 28. So I need 56 slag. I still have a very long way to go. We need these things anyway, but just to get the slag, it's going to take a while. And I know a lot of stuff takes steel, and we need the blast brick to really start doing some decent steel production. So last episode, and in between episodes, I made all of these machines, and I ran out of resources a couple of times and had to go mine. I was like, oh my god, this is so expensive. Why are these recipes so expensive? And then I looked up plate. And let's look up, let's go for the iron plate. Invar iron plate. Recipe, not that one. Let's go for iron plate, come on. Okay, there we go. So one thing I noticed, well, from one iron with the metal press, you can get the actual iron plate, but go for the IC2 iron plate here. There is actually another recipe. So this is the one I've been using. Forge hammer and 2 makes an iron plate. But if we keep going here, oh, a rolling machine. Rolling machine 1 for 1. Yeah, we're not getting a rolling machine right now. It's going to take a bit. But if we keep going here, cutting block, that is ridiculous. We can't make that. A metal former. So, compressor? You're kidding me, right? Compressor. So I don't need a metal former. I could have just been using a compressor. Nope. Okay, doesn't work. I thought I looked up compressor and it didn't work. So a metal former, and this is pretty much in the book here. It's like the first things that they say, but I'm trying, somebody said, why don't you just read the book? Read the book. I'm trying to figure it out without spoiling myself and reading it. They did change a lot of stuff, so it is pretty hard to figure out where to go. So if you guys think I should just be reading the book and following the instructions and doing everything it says, just put a comment down below. It'd be interesting if you guys prefer me trying to figure it out and derp around and see how to get the stuff, or if I should just be reading the description and doing whatever they say here. So let's go here. Stone Age. So I believe they said somewhere smeltery. Okay, and then Industrial Age, Flint and Steel. They say around here you need to metal former should make it pretty fast, and of course macerator to double. So making plates, you need a metal former to really do it cheaper. So also another thing I want to do this episode, I want to start automating this, because putting this here, macerator, furnace, and then, oh, I made a second coil for the heater just so it goes faster. But putting all of this stuff in here is a lot of work. So I want to automate this. But the first thing we need to do, we need our metal former. Just in case the rest of the stuff we need to make needs these plates that we're just not going to waste any more resources on. Okay. Okay, 3 coils. I've made a couple of these, so we should be good. Oh, did I make some extra? I made some extra in here. I made a couple of things, but I forgot about rubber. I did go and pick up a bunch of resin, so we're just going to go here. I'm going to grab a whole stack. There we go. And I hope that's enough, because I believe I have only 2 or 3 stacks in there. We will see. We'll put them in the furnace. Collect experience. We're now level 32 with all the mining and stuff that we've been doing. But there's just nothing to use it on right now, so don't really care. So basic machine. This is our 10 iron plates again. Well, not 10, it's 8, but let's put this in here. Perfect. Oh, these machines are loud. The coils, we were working on that. Electronic circuit, we're going to need more plates. We're going to need some redstone. I should bring some basic supplies up instead of going down all the time. Let's grab a couple here of this. Grab a stack of this. I figure I'm going to need some aluminum. I have enough iron already. This is silver, I won't need. This I won't need. A couple of diamonds maybe. Some gold, I don't think so. Osmium, I don't think so. That's pretty much it, right? I got 10. Oh yes, aluminum. So let's grab a whole bunch of aluminum here. There we go. Since our storage is below, we have to move around a lot. Let's go here, and how are you doing? Oh, good. Okay. So let's start with, no, not you. This one here, so I need 6 insulated copper. So for that, of course, you need the plates and the wires. Do I have any in here? I do not, so sadly, we're going to be using a bunch of copper here. Get that done. Oh, that's only 4. This is so sad, the amount that I've wasted so far. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. Did I forget something? Oh, okay, right. 5, 6. I want the bare minimum that I need here. I really do not want to waste any resources. Iron plate, redstone. Iron plate, redstone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And boom. Isn't there a quiet IC2 machine volume slider or something like that? I thought there was. I remember seeing something like quiet IC2 machines, but oh well. You know what? Let's just put some more coal in here, because these machines use up a lot. Okay, this thing is still full. We're good. Put you back in here. So we have this first part here. Now we need these coils. So each require 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. Oh, God. Should I? You know what, guys? We're going to borrow these two here. Just one. Just one. Because I still want to make some steel here. Again, gotta grab the empty cans. Oh, they're already here. Okay. Put them back here. Recipe. Coils. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Let's start with that. It's gonna give me 8. So that's enough for 1. So then I need a bunch more copper. I think I have quite a bit. Not that much. Not that much. Put this back here. We'll need to start expanding our little storage area there, putting some upgrades and stuff like that. I'm not sure what the upgrades look like, but we will see. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's to get 8 more. Okay, we use this. Nope, nope, not you. Put these two there. Okay, we have 3 coils now. This one's done, this one's done, this one's done. So we need 2 boxes. 2 boxes, small storage crate, and some bronze item casing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 10 bronze item casings, which should be 10 pieces of bronze. I do believe I have enough. Oh, yes, I have more than enough. Perfect, so 5, 10. Cool, that is done. So what do I need to do a small... Oh, okay. How many do I need? I need 2 of those. So that's 4 diamonds. A wood casing. Yeah, that's pretty basic stuff. I can definitely do that. Grab some of this, some of this. Go over here. So we need 2 wood casings, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. You? Okay, 2 wood casings. Done. I'm so happy there's... Well, it's called JEI now, but this whole right-clicking to get stuff done, that is just goes so much faster now. Did I put all the wood I needed? Yeah, okay. So 2 dents. Huh. So they need 4 each. So I'm going to grab this. That is 4. And that is another 4. Perfect. Now, how do you get some dense stuff, though? Because I need... Oh, 9 iron plates in a compressor. And 9 gold, I believe. Okay. I do have a bit of gold, so that's going to be 18. Or 9 plates. And then 18 more here. No. Almost going to make way too much here. And we'll put these in our compressor. I think that's going to be it, guys. We're going to have everything we need. Oh, that's pretty fast. We might be missing 1 metal plate, right? Yeah, this one requires 2. And I only have 1. I did need 4 diamonds. So let's put this thing in here. And let's get a diamond while we do that. There we go. I did get a little bit of diamonds, thankfully, with all the mining I've been doing. Also gold. I've been pretty happy. I've hit a couple of nodes of gold. One thing I do wonder, if you guys are interested in my actual world, I could put it up for download somewhere if you guys want to see what I've been up to. Okay, so we have our dense plate. Oh, wait, we need 2 dense plates. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Okay, so this is for 1 toolbox, and we need 2. That's 9 more here. Put this guy, we'll just wait. And then we need 18 more gold. Ooh, I do believe that's going to be like pretty much all well, not everything I got, but still a pretty good amount. I still have some ores to process, but I just didn't want to do it until I got my automated. You see, I have some ores up here. Just didn't want to do it until it was automated because it's just too much work. Okay, are you done now? Good. Start compressing this. I'll put the air in here. Oh, okay, this one's not empty, so we'll just let it empty out. Because it doesn't stack if it starts to get, you know, a little bit emptier. Put in our 9 iron plates. Once it gets empty, then we can put in this guy here. Takes a lot of air to make 1 steel ingot. There we go. Okay. Second box here. So we put these 2 here. Toolbox. I wonder what they do. Oh, okay. It's like a little... Huh, that's pretty sweet. I do prefer these bags, though, that we do need to upgrade, but... And we now have a metal former. So now, extruding, rolling, cutting. Okay, does it do rolling? Let's put like 1 piece of copper in here. Well, it is slower, of course, but it uses only 1. We're doubling up here. It's pretty nice. And if I do cutting, am I going to get more than 2 from a plate? I wonder. It could be that you just have you don't use up your cutter here, but we'll see. No, you still get 2. So it's the same amount, you just don't use up your cutter. So I'll empty out this cutter and then use the... But yeah, don't need a forging hammer. And I won't use my cutter just in case I need it for emergencies or stuff like that. I'm going to put another block in here. I can't see where my boxes are at now. So that sucks. You know what we're going to do? We're going to change it up a little bit. You cannot make slabs. Stone slabs. I've been having some problems since the last update. So you guys see these diorite? I made this with chisel. Just chisel diorite and you get twisted. But now, if I use my chisel, maybe it's because it's almost dead or something. I don't know. You see here, I get stone recipes, and I can even change it to granite or andesite. It is very curious. I'm not getting the twisted stuff, but if I put the granite, then I get all the granite stuff. But for diorite, it just stopped working for some reason. Maybe there's a mix-up with my recipes or something like that, but now I'm not getting slabs. Well, do you have slabs? Diorite slabs? Granite. Okay, so there's no slabs for granite. Too bad. Okay, let's just get slabs anyway. But the idea is I don't want to fall down. But also, I want to be able to see these bat boxes. Put these like that. That way I can actually check out how much power are inside of them to know if I'm not going to be wasting resources like I'm doing right now with a full box here. So now that we have this thing here, let's go ahead and make our coil that we need. So we need 8 of these. So 1, 2, 3. I'll grab this one here. So while that is getting done, let's start automating this whole process, because I have a whole bunch of ore here that I need to get processed into my system. What we're going to be using for that is extra utilities too. I checked out the recipes. I haven't tried making it, so I don't know if they're going to work. It'd be really weird if it doesn't, but we'll see. I want to make a transfer node and using transfer pipes. So transfer node, I need a hopper and a transfer pipe. So I need from U to U, that's 1. And from U to U, that's 2. And back again, that's 3. So I need 3 transfer. So I need plus 1 hopper. So I need 4 hoppers. Let's make some chests here. I needed 4 hoppers, so I need 4 pieces of wood. I've been using birch, but I have... You know, my tree farm has been working 1,032 right now. You guys can see I have a whole bunch of oak. I'm just going to grab some oak now. I just put it... Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I need aluminum. Did I bring enough? I think I brought enough. Yeah, 4. Perfect. Now that I have these, I need to make transfer pipes. So transfer pipes is stone slabs. And it's going to make me cobblestone slabs, right? Okay. So let's cook up some... Oh, perfect, rubber. Let's cook up some stone here. And we'll get that done. And while this is getting done, we also need some glass. I do believe I have some downstairs. Should be in this box. Oh, I have a hopper here. Cool. And a bunch of chests. Grab those too. Could be interesting. Grab some sticks. Where's my... Oh, there we go. 4 pieces of glass and clear glass. Clear glass is the exact same thing. I've just been using it in a smeltery. It just looks a lot better, I think. But I think I can also use it to make the recipe that I've been using. The transfer pipes. I hope so. So I also need... I'm just going to step back from these machines here. I also need hopper ducts. So 3 pieces of aluminum. Okay, let's see how many... I don't want to start wasting here, but... Go with this. Let's start with 8, and we'll see if that's enough. Stone slabs. Where are you? There we go. Let's get 12. That's good for 2. Believe I just need to do this. Perfect, so we've used it all up. 4 transfer pipes. And I need transfer pipes for this. So let's go get more. Let's put this in our machine here because I think I'm going to run out of aluminum. Actually, I'm pretty sure I'm going to run out of aluminum. How many do I have here? Oh, 61. Yeah, I'm fine. Let's just grab a whole bunch here. I believe you can right-click. No, you can't. Okay. I thought it was a way to lock these things to make sure that even if you remove the last one, it's still going to stay in there. But I think I'm mixing up caches and this actual thing here. Okay, so 50. No, that should be more than enough. Let's get 8 more of these. We'll put in some more slabs. Do I have any more stone? Yes, I do. I'm not sure how many I'll be needing, but I'll do really the bare minimum here. Oh, I can't use quite clear glass, it seems. Has to be standard glass. Okay, furnace, I'm gonna need you more again. Do I have any sand? Sand is actually a rare resource for me right now because I haven't been going to the overworld to get sand. And you just don't find sand in the mining world. There we go. Let's put this here. And while this is getting done, let's make our transfer nodes. So stone, redstone. Perfect. Okay, so what I said here, you're going from there to there. You're going from there to there. And you are going from there to there. So why did I say 4? I said 4 for a reason, right? No, I said 3. I made 4 for nothing. Okay. Let's just put this in here. I needed the fort hopper to do this. And then put a chest on top. Oh, right. You can't open it. Do I make a hole? Yeah, I'll make a hole. And then I can put in, well, everything basically. Pretty sure. Does it go in? Crusher, grinder. No, it doesn't go in. Okay. Let's put this on the side for now. Uranium. Yes, it does go in the macerator. Perfect. So, nickel, uranium, gold, lead, silver, osmium, and I think that's pretty much all I had. Cool. Put these guys in here for now. So, we need our transfer pipes. This here. Okay, so let's see if this works first. So, from you to you. Yeah, that's enough glass. Just want to see. There we go. Okay, so perfect. This works. Then I need... Where's my... Where did I put my... Oh, steel ingot. Flag. This is not good. Okay, so we're going to build something called an item filter. Item filter, as the name suggests, filters out items. It's extremely easy to make. I need a little bit of string. So that way we can tell the transfer node to only pull out the empty casings that we want and not the steel and the other stuff. Perfect. So now I need to find my cans. I need to get them emptied out. And then the way it works is you select, you put this in here, and then this guy here, you put the filter right here. So this is the only thing it's going to be filtering. And I can put this guy here. And if I can make 2 more transfer. Over here. So I need more stone slabs. Let's just get all of them because I think I'm going to need a bunch of stone slabs. Okay, 2 more. If I put you here and you here, then it should. Yes, it works, guys. So all I need now is 2 more transfer nodes. So for that, I'm going to need... I'm actually going to need more stone. Put this here. Just need 1 piece of stone. And I won't bother you anymore. I hear you, Mr. Spider. Let's put the bauxite dust here. And what's going to happen is he's going to fill out this thing here with bauxite. Oh yes, I did need a 4th one. Oh, silly me. I need one to empty out. Okay, perfect. Because once this is full, it needs to empty out inside a chest. So I'm going to put a chest. Will this work? Can I put a chest right on top here? Oh, no. No, no, no. I don't want a double chest. Huh. Okay, how do... Okay, it's all in here. How do I get this to not make a double chest? Well, I think the solution is just to use a storage crate. If I remove you, I put you there, this should also work, right? Yes, it does. Perfect. So then I can just put you here. Oh, I need 3 transfer nodes. Okay, that's just some wood. Not a problem. 1, 2, I believe. Not really sure. So that's 1 to put here. Oh no. Now this is gonna go back into this. This is not good. I'll just actually let's just get a 2nd storage crate. So with storage crates, I don't have to knock out the top block here, so that's pretty nice. I'll do this in between episodes. I'll change this for a storage crate. So pretty cool. We can have these in here now. I do want to remove this though, so I think a wrench can do it. Can a wrench do this though? Okay, a wrench does this, but a wrench does not remove this connector here. Huh. Or maybe this is not the right type of wrench. Maybe there's another type of wrench that I need to pick up. Okay, I'll check this out later on. For now, what I do want to do is make a couple more of these. And I need more stone slabs. Really. Well, at least it makes me use stone. Yeah, I can hear you, Spider. You're somewhere on top here. I just know it. I'll kill you later. If I go here, I can put this guy here. I just need 1 more. Let's use this guy for now. And put it here. So now, perfect. So this guy is going here, getting filled up, going back in here. So I now have an automated way. 47. I don't want to do too much here. So I have 22 I need 56, so I need 32 more. Let's not go overboard here. 32. Perfect. Because I believe glass bricks are going to be a much easier way of making steel. But for that, we need to go to the nether. So we've automated our ore processing and we've automated our steel production. That is very, very nice. That's going to save me a lot. Oh, of course, I've run out of power. Let's just put one in here, one in here. And that should be enough to get the whole machines working again. I am going to make a second coil because it just heats up. Well, you know what? Now that it's automated, I don't have to watch it. I don't really care at what speed this is getting worked on. So I'm not going to waste resources just to make a second coil. I will have to go mining again, though. Because resources, as always, are getting pretty scarce. And I do hope that I get a way to automate mining a little bit later. So guys, this has been episode 5 of the Age of Engineering. I hope you liked it. If you do, please press that like button, subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys next time.